Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool and smooth melting effect with using RealFlow plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to RealFlow and use screen, click, and now guys one more time. This time I go to emitter and use circle. Yes, and guys circle radius change. So I go to object and breadth size guys take 20 centimeter and depth 20. Yeah, and guys go to position, that's my chord, and position y axis like 200. Yeah, and play. Yes, right. Okay, so guys now I take this time cube and change cube size guys same like 2000, and y axis I take like 5, and z1 I take like same 2000. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys select this flood and I go to display size increase like this and play. Yes, right. Okay, so guys I increase frame, I take 500 frames. Yeah, and now guys this time I take mesh tool. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my simple animation, but guys I don't like this one, so stop. So go to flood and go to particle flood here and type I change like this one, this one. Yes, so play. Yeah guys, see that's smoother. So stop guys, I increase resolution like 100 and density take double like 2000. Yeah, see guys, that's my smooth melting effect, right? Okay, so guys now select this mesh tool and smooth you can increase like 2 and play. Yeah, really good. See guys, so I go to display, select God shading lines. Yeah, and guys I change thickness, then I take like 0. Actually yeah, 0.3 is good. Yes, and relax like 0. Yes, right. Okay, so stop, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, it's really smooth RealFlow particles, right? Okay, so stop this animation, and now guys I create moving animation. So select this emitter and right click, go to here Cinema 4D tag and apply vibrator. Yeah, and enable position check. Guys amplitude I take like randomly 300 and 300 and frequency 0.5. Yes, so play. Yeah, really good. See guys, that's my animation, right? So stop, go to back and play. Yeah, I like this one, right? Okay, so see guys, that's my first shape, and now I increase more. So guys select this flood and drag and drop. Yeah, that's my one, and one more time 2. So guys same emitter, copy, holding control key, drag and drop, and yes, right, and same on mesh, select, drag and drop. Yes, see guys, I take 3 time, and guys go to here emitter 1 and delete this one, select this flood 1, drag and drop in link. So same here and rename like 2, select this one and select this flood 2, drag and drop. Yes, so guys same on here, apply, that's my flood 1, that's my should be 2, this one. Yes, and last one delete and apply on here. right? Okay, so guys, play. Yeah, and now guys, I change only seed, so that's my vibrator tag, and change seed like this, 1 and 2. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my smooth animation, right? Okay, so stop. And now guys, I apply gravity, so I go to real flow and use gravity, this one. Yes, and guys, select this cube, this one, and right click on cube. So I go to real flow tag and apply collider, and bounce I take 0, actually 0.1, and frequency I take 1. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my smooth animation, real flow. Yes, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now I create second shape. So stop this animation, stop. Guys, I take cube and change cube size, simple, like 3. Yeah, and X size increase, Y size increase. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, second shape I take cylinder and make smaller. Yes, and cap and radius decrease like 2. Yeah, see guys, that's my rotation part. So select this cube, actually this one, cube 1, second one, and now guys, group this cube. So select this null object, select this cube 1 and cylinder, and make child with null. Yes, so guys, select this null object and I go to chord and I create animation like this, simple, right? Okay, so guys, rotation dot h, check. So I go to 500 frames and rotation h, take 1000 and press this animation key. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, now I change keyframe. So stop. So go to here, window, and timeline F curve tool. Yes, and that's my graph editor. Guys, select all and click on here, liner. Yes, so go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my animation, right? Okay, so guys, now same, apply collider tag on here, this one, cube. So right click on cube, real flow tag, and apply collider and bounce. Guys, I take like 0.5, actually 0.5 friction, and bounce 0.1. Yes, and apply same on cylinder. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my smooth animation. Yeah, right? See guys, it's really good. Okay, so guys, stop. Now I apply material. Guys, I already create material, so that's my file. Yeah, and apply on mesh randomly. Yes, yeah, right? And I go to display, select unhide lines, and white material apply on here, cube. Yeah, and guys, for lighting I take sky, and that's my sky material. So select the sky, right click, and guys, use compositing tag and scene by camera uncheck. Yeah, and go to here like this, that's my camera angle, closer. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I go to screen and guys, go to cache, use cache check, and click on here, cache simulation check, and after cache create render. So guys, that's it. It's my simple and basic RealFlow plugin is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.